Dive into part 6 of our series, Implementing Generational Wealth Plans, where we unpack the practical steps to solidify your estate planning and ensure the efficient transfer of wealth across generations. This episode covers the importance of regularly reviewing and updating estate plans, the significance of transparent communication with family members, and strategies for a smooth wealth transition to the next generation. Learn how to adapt your estate plan to life's changes, reduce potential conflicts within the family, and prepare heirs for their future roles. We also emphasize the value of professional guidance in navigating the complexities of estate planning. This episode is vital for anyone looking to put their estate planning knowledge into action, ensuring their legacy's endurance and growth for future generations. Implementing generational wealth plans. Reviewing and updating estate plans regularly. Reviewing and updating estate plans regularly is a crucial aspect of effective estate planning to preserve generational wealth. As circumstances change over time, it is essential to ensure that the estate plan remains relevant and aligned with your current goals and needs. The following section delves into the importance of reviewing and updating estate plans periodically. One purpose of regular reviews. Regular reviews of your estate plan help to incorporate any significant life events or changes in financial circumstances that may impact the distribution of your assets. Events such as marriages, divorces, births, deaths, changes in health, or financial windfalls should prompt a review of your estate plan to ensure that it reflects your current intentions accurately. 2. Legal and tax considerations. Laws and regulations related to estate planning and taxation are subject to change. Regular reviews of your estate plan can help identify any modifications necessary to take advantage of new laws or to ensure compliance with current regulations. This can help minimize tax implications and maximize the value of the assets passed on to future generations. 3. Asset evaluation. Periodic reviews allow you to assess the value of your assets and determine whether adjustments are needed to align with your intended distribution plan. Changes in the value of assets, such as real estate, investments, or business interests, may require updates to ensure that your beneficiaries receive the intended share of your wealth. 4. Beneficiary designations. Reviewing beneficiary designations for retirement accounts, life insurance policies, or other assets is essential to confirm that your chosen beneficiaries are up to date. Life events such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of children may necessitate changes to beneficiary designations to reflect your current wishes accurately. 5. Guardianship and trustee designations. If your estate plan includes provisions for minor children or trusts, it is important to review your designated guardians and trustees regularly. Ensuring that these individuals are still willing and able to fulfill their roles is crucial to safeguarding the well-being of your loved ones and the proper management of your assets. 6. Communication with family members. Regularly reviewing and updating your estate plan provides an opportunity to communicate with your family members about your wishes and intentions. Open and transparent communication can help prevent misunderstandings or disputes among family members regarding the distribution of assets and minimize the potential for conflicts in the future. In conclusion, reviewing and updating your estate plan regularly is a proactive approach to preserving generational wealth and ensuring that your wishes are carried out effectively. By staying informed about changes in your life circumstances, laws, and regulations, you can maintain a comprehensive estate plan that reflects your current goals and priorities. Consulting with legal and financial advisors can help guide you through the process of reviewing and updating your estate plan to protect your assets and provide for future generations. Communicating plans and objectives with family members. Communicating plans and objectives with family members is a crucial aspect of estate planning to preserve generational wealth. Open and clear communication can help avoid misunderstandings, conflicts, and legal disputes among family members in the future. It is essential to involve all relevant family members in discussions about estate planning to ensure that everyone understands the intentions behind the decisions and the long-term goals. Here are some key points to consider when communicating plans and objectives with family members. 1. Transparency. Be transparent about your estate planning decisions and the reasons behind them. Clearly explain your objectives and how you intend to preserve generational wealth for the benefit of the family. 2. Family meetings. Schedule family meetings to discuss the estate planning process. This provides an opportunity for all family members to ask questions, share their concerns, and provide input. 3. Professional guidance. Consider involving a financial advisor, attorney, or estate planner to facilitate discussions and provide expert advice. A professional can help navigate complex issues, and ensure that the estate plan aligns with your objectives. 4. Clarify roles and responsibilities. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities of family members in managing and preserving the generational wealth. This can help avoid confusion and conflicts in the future. 5. Update family members. Keep family members informed about any changes or updates to the estate plan. Regular communication ensures that everyone is aware of the current status and can provide input if necessary. 6. Discuss contingency plans. In case of unforeseen circumstances or changes in family dynamics, discuss contingency plans with family members. This can help prepare for unexpected events and ensure that the generational wealth is protected. 7. Document discussions. It is important to document all discussions and decisions related to estate planning. This can serve as a reference point in the future and help prevent misunderstandings or disputes among family members. Overall, effective communication with family members is essential for successful estate planning to preserve generational wealth. By involving all relevant parties, being transparent about intentions, and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can ensure that your estate plan aligns with your objectives and benefits future generations, ensuring a smooth transition of wealth to the next generation. A critical aspect of estate planning is to establish a strategy that ensures a seamless transfer of wealth to the next generation. By implementing thoughtful planning and legal structures, individuals can preserve and protect their generational wealth while also minimizing potential disputes and tax liabilities. This section will delve into the key considerations and techniques for achieving a smooth transition of wealth. 1. Start early and communicate openly. The foundation of a successful wealth transfer begins with early planning and open communication with family members. Initiating discussions about financial matters, values, and goals can help set expectations and foster understanding among heirs. 2. Create a comprehensive estate plan. Developing a comprehensive estate plan is essential for facilitating the smooth transfer of wealth. This plan should include a will, trusts, power of attorney, and healthcare directives tailored to the individual's specific circumstances and objectives. 3. Utilize trusts. Trusts are powerful tools for wealth preservation and transfer. By establishing trusts, individuals can dictate how and when assets are distributed to beneficiaries, protect assets from creditors, and potentially reduce estate taxes. 4. Consider gifting strategies. Implementing gifting strategies can help reduce the size of the taxable estate while transferring assets to heirs during one's lifetime. Annual gift tax exclusions and lifetime gift tax exemptions are valuable tools in this regard. 5. Engage in succession planning for family businesses. For individuals with family businesses, succession planning is crucial. Developing a clear succession plan that outlines leadership transitions, ownership transfers, and governance structures can ensure the business's continuity and the preservation of wealth. 6. Review and update your plan regularly. Life circumstances, tax laws, and family dynamics can change over time. It is essential to review and update your estate plan periodically to reflect these changes and ensure that it remains aligned with your objectives. 7. Educate and prepare heirs. Providing financial education and preparing heirs for the responsibilities of managing wealth is key to a successful wealth transfer. By imparting knowledge about financial literacy, investment strategies, and governance structures, heirs can be better equipped to preserve and grow the family's wealth. 8. Consult with experienced professionals. Working with experienced estate planning attorneys, financial advisors, and tax professionals is crucial in navigating the complexities of wealth transfer. These professionals can provide tailored guidance and expertise to help individuals achieve their estate planning goals. By proactively addressing these considerations and implementing a well-thought-out estate plan, individuals can ensure a smooth transition of wealth to the next generation, preserving their legacy and providing for the financial well-being of their heirs. Thank you for joining us for How to Use Estate Planning to Preserve Generational Wealth, Part 6. Implementing generational wealth plans. Your proactive steps today are the foundation for a legacy that will endure, influencing lives and providing for your family long into the future. Stay informed, stay engaged, and continue to build a legacy that not only lasts but thrives. Until we meet again, keep striving for excellence in all that you do. And remember, the greatest wealth we can offer is a legacy of purpose, love, and enduring prosperity. Stay tuned for Part 7, the conclusion of our series, where we'll wrap up with final insights to maximize your estate planning efforts. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss out on the final strategies to preserve your generational legacy. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards securing a prosperous future for your family. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's continue building lasting legacies together. See you in our series finale in the next video.